So Brad and I are going to show you
Yes.
3 safe exercises for sciatica.
That's right, Bob.
So stick around.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
So let's pretend you have sciatica down your right leg, Brad.
Okay, right here it
All right.
is. Without
Quite-
my shoe, that's going to be how I remember it.
Quite often what might be happening is the right side of the body is tight
Mm-hmm.
and it's causing compression.
So if these muscles here are tight, it's throwing the back off.
It's squeezing the bones together.
Yep.
So we want to take them apart.
Reverse that tightness. Yeah,
Decompression.
Loosen it up.
So one way to do that is to use a stick. You could use a broomstick or a booyah stick.
Yeah,
or
piece
a
of dowling,
PVC pipe.
PVC.
So I'm gonna grab as high as I can, and I'm gonna lean forward, and it stretches this whole side.
Right. And you could see it stretch his clothing right there. The
Right.
same thing. The muscles are doing the same thing. You know, you need to have a pad on the end of a rubber pad on the end of the stick. If you don't, that's okay. Just use a shoe, and you put that because you don't want it slipping around
Yeah,
on the
you
chair.
could unhook your broomstick and
Yep. Just put your shoe there, then it will stick the way it needs to, and get that stretch.
you don't let the hand slide down.
Yeah, no good.
No.
I remember I showed this to a patient. I didn't emphasize that. He
Right.
came back 3 days later. And
He's
doing
going like
this.
this.
And it's not working. It's
Why
like,
not working?
I didn't do a very good job at teaching.
All right, we'll go on to number 2.
I know there's going to be some questions about this. People are going to ask, well, how long do I hold this stretch? You know, it's going to be anywhere from 3 to 5 to 10 seconds, depending how it responds. If it creates pain,
Don't do it.
Don't do it, particularly if the pain down the leg gets worse. So only do it if it feels like a good stretch. Let's go to number 2.
All right, Brad, this might be the easiest exercise in history. You just lie on your stomach,
Yes?
and you can actually take one fist to put it under your chin,
Yep.
or 2. And what we're trying to do is coax
Yes.
that disc back into place or to take the pressure off your nerve.
Right. So if you can lie on your stomach, good.
Right.
Then you're going to start with 1 or 2 fists.
Right.
It's like when you're a kid watching TV.
Yeah.
That's
If
how
you can't, you could start with a pillow under your abdomen.
Absolutely right. And again, you're going to hold this for a few minutes. As that relaxes and releases, you'll feel the leg pain improve, particularly the leg pain.
So with this final exercise, we're trying to do the same thing. We're trying to coax the disc back into place.
Right. Get it.
We're also trying to get some movement
Yeah.
in the back.
We call that reducing. We're going to reduce that disc.
So I'm going to move my back up,
Arch.
my head down, my pelvis up, and then I go the opposite way.
Some people call
Head
this
up.
the cat camel.
Right.
Yeah, but we really don't know what's
They
the
got a
camel
middle
and
name
what's
for
the
it.
cat. Yeah. So whatever you want. But this is the motion that you're going to do. And do it like Bob was doing. Not too fast, not too slow.
Right.
If you go up to a certain level and it starts to hurt, don't push it.
Don't do it.
Yep.
We're not into pain.
Yep. No pain, no gain is not the philosophy you want to follow. We just want to follow pain-free or relative pain-free range of motion and allow it to loosen up. So if any of these exercises, again, create pain or make things worse, don't do it. Go to the next one. You may only find one of these 3 that help it out. That's the one you'll work with.
All right, Brad, what should we mention?
Right. If you have sciatica, you're working on it with these exercises, and you want some more options and more details, we have an outstanding library of videos called Programs. Go to bobandbrad.com. That's our website, and this is completely free. We don't even ask for your email. Go to Programs, click on
We
sciatica.
got 40 videos.
40 videos,
on
and
sciatica.
every video has a PDF printout
Printout.
of exercises and a review of that video. It's just a wonderful way to improve your knowledge and get better.
Get rid of that manic disease.
Yeah, manic disease.
Ah,
Whoa,
wow.
Bob, you've been studying over
I
the
know.
weekend. It's very good. It
All
is a
right.
nasty thing to have, and we want to help you out.